Hello my dear students and teachers, welcome to K.K. Education YouTube channel. Today topic is punctuations. This is a very important topic to us because number of people don't know about how to use punctuations. Don't worry, today we are going to learn the proper way to use punctuation. Okay, let's start the lesson. Here's an explanation of each punctuation mark along with 5 examples of its use. 1. Full stop or period, dot. Definition: the period, also known as a full stop, is used to mark the end of a sentence that is a statement or abbreviation. Examples: I am going to the store. Mr. Smith lives on Elm Street. The cat is black. Please bring your book. She is studying for her exam. 2. Question mark. Definition: the question mark is used to indicate the end of a sentence that is a question. Examples: where are you going? Did you finish your homework? What time is the meeting? How old are you? Are you coming to the party? 3. Exclamation point. Definition: the exclamation point is used to indicate strong emotion or emphasis. Examples: stop. Congratulations. Help. Wow. That's amazing. 4. Comma. Definition: the comma is used to separate items in a list, introduce clauses, and indicate pauses. Examples: I need to buy apples, bananas, and oranges. After work, I went to the gym. She is tall, dark, and handsome. In the morning, I like to drink coffee. 5. Colon. Definition: the colon is used to introduce a list, explanation, or quotation. Examples: there are 3 things I love: music, books, and nature. The recipe calls for 3 ingredients: flour, sugar, and eggs. He quoted Shakespeare, to be or not to be. She had one goal: to win the race. Remember, practice makes perfect. 6. Semicolon. Definition: the semicolon is used to connect two independent clauses that are closely related or separate items in a list when the items contain commas. Examples: she finished her work, then she went home. The weather was cold, however, they went for a walk. There are 3 cities I want to visit: Paris, France, Rome, Italy, and Barcelona, Spain. He loves cooking, she loves baking. I have to finish my homework, then I can watch TV. 7. Dash. Definition: the dash is used to indicate a sudden change in thought or to set off information within a sentence. Examples: I went to the store, the one on Main Street. She bought flowers, roses, and tulips. My favorite color is blue, it reminds me of the ocean. He loves to travel, especially to Europe. The meeting scheduled for tomorrow has been postponed. 8. Hyphen, dash. Definition: the hyphen is used to join words together, indicate word breaks, or connect prefixes and suffixes. Examples: well known. Mother-in-law. 21. 9. Brackets. Definition: brackets are used to enclose words or phrases that are added to a quotation or text for clarification. Examples: he said, I will be there. The author wrote, the sun is shining. She exclaimed, it's so beautiful. The sign read, no parking between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. 10. Braces. Definition: braces, also known as curly brackets, are used to group together parts of an equation or to indicate a set or collection of items. Examples: the equation was written as x plus y. He listed the colors as red, blue, green. The function was defined as f kiss smiley is equal to x2. The set included 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The options were A, B, C, D, E. 11 parentheses. Definition: parentheses are used to enclose additional information within a sentence that is not essential to the main meaning. Examples: she went to the store, which was closed, to buy groceries. The book, which I borrowed from the library, is due next week. The movie, which I watched last night, was very entertaining. The team, consisting of 10 members, won the championship. 12 apostrophe. Definition: the apostrophe is used to indicate possession or to show where letters have been omitted in contractions. Examples: Sarah's book. The dog's tail. It's raining, he contraction of it is. I don't know, contraction of do not. She'll be here soon, contraction of she will. 13 quotation mark. Definition: quotation marks are used to enclose direct speech, quotations, titles of short works, or to indicate irony. Examples: she said, hello. The article is titled The Importance of Education. He read aloud from Romeo and Juliet. The sign said, closed for. Certainly. 14 ellipses. Definition: the ellipsis is used to indicate the omission of words or a pause in speech or writing, often to create suspense or suggest that the speaker or writer is trailing off. Examples: I wonder if. Never mind. She said she would come, but. The story was intriguing, full of twists and turns. I'm not sure if I should. Well, maybe. He thought for a moment, then. The ellipsis is versatile and can be used in various contexts to convey different meanings or effects.
I hope this video helpful to us. Please share this video to help the students to understand the punctuations and their uses. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates.